By the way, my name, no, is baka hindi ko niya po nakilala, Jerome Castañeda. I'm the Business Development Officer here in Stanford IT Learning. So the title is basically Academe 4.0, no? So the idea is really to enable digital twin innovations. So my role really is to bridge, no, ang ating magkaroon tayo ng collaboration or partnership, no, between the academic and the industry. Ano po yung mga best practices na pwedeng uh, ma-share natin sa mga academe, especially in terms of the skills na needed in the industry. Ayan, sir. I'll just introduce our company, Stanford IT Learning and ating academic adoption program. So yung CIM Technologies po, sir, is we're already in our 34th year, no? This coming December. So CIM is actually we are a pioneer in terms in the technology provider, software and hardware. So mostly na may industry na aming we provide are the architecture, engineering, and construction, AEC. So si Sir Gary basically is the one who's handling this. And I handle the manufacturing industry. So basically we really promote, no, the use of the product development tools in terms of we talk about computer aided design, computer aided engineering, no, manufacturing as well. If you're familiar, of course, with CNC, subtractive manufacturing, and now very yung well known na po yung additive manufacturing as well, and the product data management as well as the project management solutions, no? So dito sa Stanford IT Learning, basically ito ay training division ng CIM Technologies. So our aim really is to equip engineers, architects, professionals, and of course the academe, no, the students and the faculty, in terms of really being able to maximize the use of your skills, no, sa computer aided designs and project management software. Yan. Kami naman, we are really certified aming mga instructors, no, in their different fields of ano, so in their industry. As I mentioned, 1989, so sabi ko nga 34 years na eh. So right from the start, andyan na kasama ang training division. But of course, through the years, no, naging ano po kami, authorized training division ng Autodesk. Yan. So if you're very, I'm sure you're very familiar with AutoCAD. But 2010, nagkaroon kami ng pangalan, naging Stanford IT Learning, no? Ang aming nag-rebrand. So, and then naging partner namin ang Siemens din, no? Siemens sa manufacturing, siguro mga 14 years na. But recently, nagkaroon tayo ng mga academic adoption program wherein yung mga industry standard na ginagamit sa Siemens may ipamahagi, no, sa ating mga education academy. Ayan. We also support the startups program. Ayan. So later on, I will show you. I don't know if SLSU has also a startup program or mga technology business incubators, no, na mostly is sponsored or promoted by the Department of Science and Technology. So here in Stanford, actually we offered a classroom-led type, no? Of course, in the picture, makita nyo dyan, meron kaming face-to-face, no? That is pre-pandemic. And then of course, ngayon nagkaroon ng pandemic, we also went to online, no? But now that we are back to hopefully normal na talaga, we are just like you there, face-to-face, no? Ang aming mga uh, programa. But of course, ito, we're like what we're doing, we are also doing online classes as well. No? So we can highly customize po our training, no? It really suits to the industry kung ano yung kanilang mga needs, no? So dito po sa manufacturing, ang aming pong talagang software itong Solid Edge, no, for the product design, product development tools. At ang Oracle Primavera, ito naman po yung talagang on demand, no, sa mga project management for planning purposes. And then, of course, as I mentioned to you, I'll be talking more, no, about the use of this Solid Edge. It's basically here in Stanford. Really, we teach you how the fundamentals and up to the advanced, no, and even the electrical. Kaya meron tayong I also invited the EE because this is a electromechanical product design solution as well. So as I mentioned to you, Oracle, this is a very on-demand din na courseware, project planning, control uh, for the resource management training po. Yan, server-based solution. So and of course, yan, pinakita ko, it's just the manufacturing, but ayan, AEC, AutoCAD, Revit architecture. So of course the MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and structure, no, and also the fundamentals and advanced as well. So Navisworks be able really to detect mga clash detection and also walkthroughs ng iyong mga planta. And of course, yung ating mga rendering tools, 3ds Max, mga BIM, and the other softwares, no, na also very in demand in the industry, AEC. Yan. So also the global e-training basically is our on-demand solution, no, na for those really hindi na talaga ng face to face, but mostly it's like a Coursera, but this one caters really for the BIM, mga AEC market, AEC yan. That's why there's Autodesk, Building Information Modeling, Primavera, and so on. Ayun, so we are not only a software provider as I mentioned to you. We are also a hardware solutions provider. So I don't know if you have meron kayong mga 3D printers diyan sa schools, but our we are a gold partner, no, of Formlabs. So this is a special unlike the mga ginagamit sa tawag nito regular yung mga fuse deposition uh, FDM type, ito po ay stereolithography ang gamit. Ibig sabihin laser, no, resin ang ginagamit dito. And it's very accurate and much faster, no. Kaya medyo may mga enclosure siya na ginagamit. So ang actually good news about the Formlabs is we're running actually promotion, no, at this rainy season around 35 up to 35% discount. So this actually we are also reaching out to the academy because this is widely used, no, in the industry in terms of the rapid prototyping, uh, especially the molding, no, na mold design. Me myself, I'm a mold designer previously. Jigs and fixtures, yan, nagamit siya sa mga and mga automotive and even to the aerospace po. So whatever are the practices, no, in the industry, we can also be able to share this industry practices to the academe. No? These are some of our clients. The University of the Philippines, Eastern Visayas State University, and recently po yung University of Perpetual Health System. And hopefully, no, ang SLSU ay maisali natin dito. Of course, De La Salle, Araulo, and and the other clients, dali, may na-miss yata ko. Ito pa, RTU, TUP, yan, Mapua. So these are varied, sir, no? AEC and manufacturing. Actually, yung Batangas State University is should be here as well. University of Nueva Cáceres should also be be here as well. And recently yung Polytechnic University of the Philippines, no? Yeah, it's a combination of state university and private schools po. And some of our clients actually, ito, just a few of our clients here from the AEC and also manufacturing. Ayan, so ngayon let's discuss po yung ating tinatawag na Siemens Academic Adoption Program. Ayan. So pakilala ko muna sino ba si Siemens, no? I, I sure you're familiar na siguro sa Siemens if you're into the manufacturing field. It's very well-known company, leading position in the electrification, automation, and digitalization. So actually both hardware and software sila, no? But kami we are a partner in the Siemens Digital Industry Corporation. So in the digitalization kami. So in the software side. But of course may mga hardware yan, no? Well known sila sa mga PLC, automation brand. Yan. So since ano pa sila actually between Industry 1 and Industry 2.0, no? 1847. So, no? Di pa tayo pinapanganak, andyan na sila. So Industry 4.0, they are very in the forefront. That's why in my title Academ 4.0, I just no ayan. So ang Siemens po basically they are very much supportive, no, in terms of the STEM educations. So in this case yung University of Lincoln, they are really tawag na ito encourage and even they support, no, in terms of yung mga hardware and the use of the software doon sa kanilang ano. So they have this innovation laboratory that they are using there. So actually one of the trends na talagang ginagamit or mostly na that Siemens encourages, no, yung STEM competition, and we know that I most of the schools, no, really are engaged in STEM competitions. Bakit ba? So that's why we can also encourage the use, no, of your skills in terms of your mechanical design, electrical design, and the other stress or the computer aided engineering, no, analysis, yung mga fabrication, and other technical, non-technical such as collaboration, marketing, selling, pitching, no? Kasi you'll be in front of those judges, no? So ano po yung implication niyan, no? So yun yung trend. So ang implications, yung mga ating mga academic institutions really are looking for ano ba yung mga tools na gagamitin natin dyan? What are the comprehensive softwares that we can use in terms of the mechanical, electrical design, kinematics, no? So here in the right side, no, right from the title that I mentioned to you is about the digital twin. So ibig sabihin niya na from the conception, no, yung of your design, from the ginagather mo yung ano ba yung mga requirements natin para makapag-design tayo ng ano ng say for example this product, no. So you do your design, your concept to the yung mga mechanical components, no, and of course kailangan ng electrical design diyan, no. So then you simulate that one para paano ba siya gagana, you know, you simulate, and then once this is working you manufacture this. So that's why you have this digital twin, no. So it's a mirror of your prototype, the hardware. So you minimize really the production of your hardware or the prototype. So that's why we call this digital twin. And that's the cycle, no? So kasi isa-service yan, baka may mga maintenance. So you go again until the life cycle, no? Ma-end na yung life cycle niyan. So what are the possibilities, no? na meron ka ng tools. So the possibilities really are access to comprehensive portfolio of your product design tools, no, in terms of ano ba yung mga simulations na gagamitin natin diyan sa real world, no, yung mga merong thermal analysis, may component diyan na mga magbe-break, no, due to load, heavy load o buckling, or di ba? So we use these tools, no, and ayan. So that's why uh, we promote, no, the use of the solid edge. It's basically a portfolio of very affordable, very easy to use software, no, and it speeds up ating product development process. So this enables ating mga manufacturers, no, to really be able really to design and produce their products to the market quickly. So it helps, no, ating mga startup, mga SMEs, or here it calls small medium business manufacturers, a large, even up to large enterprise, no, and of course academic institutions. Ito po yung mga iba different industries in the industrial machinery. Ako, I previously work in the food processing. So agricultural equipment, siguro diyan sa SLSU more on maybe later you can yung mga specific research or industry na inaano niyo makakasama dito. Agriculture, ayan, we are an agriculture country. Automotive ba, medical, ayan, consumer, and marine, even aerospace, no, supply chain companies. Ito po yung pinaka-portfolio talaga ng Solid Edge. Kaya I invited the mechanical and the electrical, at meron din siyang ECE, no? Even ECE. So of course, dito sa mechanical design, what really separates, no, this software from the other CAD solution, if you may ask, is this patented synchronous technology, no, that really combines yung tinatawag na traditional of feature based solutions, yung mga parent and child, and then now you can directly edit this, so without affecting those parent and child, kasi yun ang nagiging problema, no, ng iba, na because of those history based trees, no, you can directly edit that. Kaya synchronous ang tawag dyan, technology, which is wala sa ibang CAD software. And then of course, yan, meron tayong PNID, process and instrumentation design, piping, no, very gamit na gamit sa mga planta yan. And then yung ating generative design, which is basically yung being able to design your product, no, in terms of optimizing yung kanyang design, no, mababawasan yung kanyang load or yung forma ng model mo. So it really help you in optimizing the weight ng ating design. Kaya generative design siya. And then of course, electrical design. Ayan. So ibig sabihin, you can create electrical routing doon sa sa component, like kanina yung pinakita ko, there is an electrical system there, yung mga wiring, yung mga harness design, especially sa automotive and even sa mga shipbuilding, may mga wire, electrical component. So there is also an option, no, for PCB design, kasi nga po itong Siemens, nabili niya itong company na yung Mentor Graphics, no, which is basically a company that is an electronics design automation. So yan, kaya merong dyan, asterisk. It's an option for those students who are into PCB design. PADS Pro ang gamit, no? Now, you can also do simulation, as I mentioned to you. Merong thermal analysis, mga FEA, finite element analysis, and then Flow EFD actually is a fluid dynamic solutions. So this is also from the Mentor Graphics as well. And then manufacturing, siguro, I don't know if meron kayo dyang CNC dyan sa school nyo. Kasi here, we can also do up to 5 axis milling, no, and turning. So I used also to do a mold design previously. So you use mag-create ka ng G codes, no, to run that into your CNC. So with your CAM solution. And of course, yung ating additive manufacturing, no, which is basically another word for that is 3D printing. So napakita ko kanina sa inyo, we have also 3D printer. So yung technical publication po, kasi yung normally ginagawa talaga sa manufacturing, no, once itong ma-design mo, yung sa cycle, di ba? How can I be able to communicate this design? So you use technical publication. Paano ba to ina-assemble sa sa factory? Paano ba to mina-manufacture yung construction, fabrication nito? Ayan, so yung technical publication, ito po yung para sa mga shop floor. Binibigay yan sa mga shop floor, no? Para makita nila yung design. Ngayon, itong data management po, ito po yung actually ang term po talaga na ginagamit diyan sa yung team center. So if, say for example, meron tayong mga designer from China or from the US. Now I am here in Philippines. Ito po yung gamit na ginagamit nila, data management, so that you can be able to synchronize, no, yung ating mga design. Kunyari nagkaroon ng revision doon sa China, makikita mo agad ngayon dito through your mga version update, revision, at sino ba ang mag-a-approve nito, dadaanan ng manager. Okay, na-approve na. I-release na natin ngayon to sa manufacturing. Yan. So yan, ginagawa ko rin kasi dati yan eh. So, of course, itong cloud collaboration, no, for those really on-site na wala naman talagang yung they can really view the 3D, no? Ayan. So ito po, actually I'm just describing what the previous page in terms of ito yung tinatawag sa kanya, no, the bundle. Kasi yung license neto kasi is either floating, no, o yung uh, server actually, and then the perpetual uh, license, no? So it's also a server, baga server based client solution to. So perpetual sa inyo na. Yung floating license, subscription based yan. Ibig sabihin. So I mentioned already, shared already some of the local schools, but so these are the international schools naman. MIT, no, dyan yung Purdue. So for the instructors, actually for the teachers, meron na po tayong mga training courses from the fundamentals, assemblies, mga materials na pwede nyong gamitin. At meron din po tayong portal, no, para sa mga teachers actually, and even for students as well, no. So I can also share with you, sir, the link, no. So actually pwede rin, may mga curriculum siya na semester based din, no. So you can make use of the curriculum. I can also show you that if I have time. But ito po yung mga self-paced, no? Parang yung on-demand na get na pinakita ko kanina. Meron din siyang on-demand type of learning din. Ito yung mas in-depth niya, no, na portal for that online learning. So here it's really complete, no, kasi from it will help you in the fundamentals, not only the fundamentals, but the certification po, which is very important. I would like also to highlight this later on. And then there are other topics, robotics, generative design, na yung sinasabi ko kanina, optimizing the weight, introduction, yan. So as I mentioned to you, yung certification is also very, very important, no, especially for those who would want really to be tawag nito, recognized by the other industries or the other who are using. So meron tayong level 1 actually, even to the middle school, no. Dito siguro equivalent sa atin is senior high school. And then level 2 yung sa university. Ito po yung certification niya. Libre naman yan. Yung professional, Of course, meron siyang fee, but I believe right now we are the Siemens is running also for free because of the pandemic, no. So that's why we encourage the education or the academe also to take the professional. So kami here in Stanford, we will help you and we will guide you in preparation because dumaan na po yung aming mga instructors diyan sa kanila, and then they can be able to really share their practice numbers. And then once you have this, you can now share this in your LinkedIn resume, and you are really recognized internationally po. So as I mentioned to you, yung trend talaga kanina is about STEM competition. So Siemens, they have a wide variety of competitions for different parts, no. So andyan yung robotics competition for 14 to 18 years old. Meron din tayo sa China. May mga green power. Kami po dito sa CIM, meron din po kami mga product design competition actually last year, no? So may mga student, both student and also from the industry, so that they can also collaborate, they can also share best practices. So I also mentioned PUP Manila. PUP High Gear, basically it's a group of, hindi lang siya mechanical, no, engineering actually. But what's actually special about this group is that right in the middle, itong si Cho, the point, I'm pointing my cursor, is siya po yung ano dito, yung head doon sa Shell Eco Marathon. Annually kasi they are tawag nito, sumasali sila, no, sa Shell Eco Marathon. And the skills that they gain actually here, they were able really to use that skills in their actually this guy uh, managed to co-found or start his own company startup, Eurotech company. So mostly ng kanilang mga services are nag-outsource ng mga design, no, from the Kickstarter, if you're familiar with the Kickstarter. And most of his co-founders, ayan, sila, are also from PUP High Gears. No? So hopefully, this is what we are also encouraging, no, of the academy, is that skills na they could gain from those joining the competitions, no, STEM or competitions from Shell Eco Marathon. Ito si PUP High Gears, yan. So they actually use the software Solid Edge in their design of their automotive. So kasi iba-iba, may mga solar powered, may mga ano lang, electric na vehicle yung iba. So they make use of Solid Edge in their simulation of their automotive. So some of the schools, no, in South Africa, ang kanilang challenge talaga dati is yung may improve yung skills level ng mga estudyante, at saka magkaroon sila ng development of tooling, tool and die manufacturing local. So sa tulong ng isang local channel partner, so na-enhance ang kanilang skills through the training, at nagkaroon sila ng industry standard software, no, na magagamit, at nagkaroon ng Center of Training and Excellence, no, sa kanilang manufacturing, local manufacturing sector nila. So that's a good practice. One of our clients, Armscore, is a very, I believe, well known sa mga ammo engineering, no, so gamit po nila ang Solid Edge, no, in terms of kasi ang gamit nila dati AutoCAD. So here the benefits of using is 50 to 70% faster compared to the times that we are using. Actually they are would highlight normally yung synchronous technology na sinasabi ko, that's really very productive, no. So another of our clients is actually is a startup, no, yung Rurok. They are progressive bike designing for mountain bike. Yan. So gamit ni PJ Tolentino, is a mechanical engineer, no, ang Solid Edge, and they were really able to design stiffer, no, yung kanilang mga kaha 50%, and of course lighter by 20%. Very important 'yan sa design. Yung mabawasan yung timbang, no. And so of course, ang sabi ni PJ Tolentino, again, yan, highlight niya, synchronous technology of solid edge. No? So, was there be able really to slash the development time by 20% and then 50%. And then we provide them, no, the support, training, and yan, in terms of the use of the tools, no, in optimizing their design. So, nasa huling slides na tayo. The benefits really of the academic adoption program is that every year you get the latest version, no? Actually, this October na pala tayo, no? We will have another version 2024. So, of course, Stanford training, we provide you our hands-on training for the faculty, no? In terms of mga technology, the best practices na ginagamit sa industry. And then, of course, you have the advantage of other schools kasi we use the Siemens brand and increase the eligibility of your faculty in terms of the Siemens certification which is internationally recognized yan. Ayan, the brand Siemens ang we carry. And that's it. Maraming tapos na po.